Will artificial intelligence take your job or make it better? That's one of the biggest questions out there today. And while the answer isn't black and white, what we can say for sure is this: AI is going to change almost every job in some way. The real question is how and when. Right now, AI is like a superpowered intern. It's fast, it's efficient, but it still needs guidance. So in the short term, most jobs aren't disappearing. They're being reshaped. For example, administrative assistants. Instead of spending hours scheduling meetings or writing memos, AI tools like Copilot or ChatGPT can draft documents and handle scheduling automatically. The assistant's role shifts toward managing priorities and communication, not typing up emails. Customer support agents. Chatbots already handle simple reset my password type questions. Humans are left with complex or emotional cases that require empathy. Writers and marketers. AI can generate a first draft of an article or ad campaign. Writers now act more like editors and creative directors, shaping the AI output into something polished. Software developers. AI coding assistants, like GitHub Copilot, don't replace developers, but they speed up routine coding, meaning developers spend more time on architecture, integration, and problem solving. So in the short run, AI doesn't eliminate jobs, but it changes the skills required. Knowing how to use AI effectively will become as basic as knowing Excel or Word. Now fast forward a bit. Over the next decade, we'll see some real shifts. Entire categories of work could shrink, while brand new categories emerge. Some jobs that are likely to shrink. Data entry clerks, largely automated. AI can already scan, process, and organize data faster and more accurately. Paralegals and legal researchers. AI can instantly analyze thousands of legal documents. Lawyers will still be needed, but fewer paralegals may be required. Accountants and auditors. Routine tax prep and compliance work will be heavily automated. Accountants will shift toward advisory and strategic financial planning. Basic programmers. If your job is writing standard code snippets, AI can do much of it. But software engineers who design, maintain, and integrate systems will remain in high demand. Some jobs are likely to grow. AI trainers and prompt engineers. Specialists who teach AI how to understand instructions and produce better results. Cybersecurity experts. As AI systems grow, so does the risk of AI-driven cybercrime. Demand for security professionals will surge. Healthcare technicians and specialists. AI may handle diagnostics, but people will be needed to apply treatment and care. Radiologists, for example, may rely on AI scans but still interpret results in context. Skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, mechanics. AI won't replace hands-on physical expertise anytime soon. In this medium phase, the job market doesn't collapse, but it polarizes. Routine jobs get automated, while high-skill and high-creativity jobs thrive. Looking ahead more than a decade, things get more uncertain and more dramatic. If AI continues advancing, we could see fundamental changes in how society thinks about work. There are really two possible scenarios. 1. Optimistic scenario. New industries explode, like the internet did. Jobs like AI ethics auditors, neuro-AI interface specialists, human AI creative directors could become as normal as social media manager is today. Entirely new forms of art, science, and business emerge with humans and AI working side by side. 2. Pessimistic scenario. Widespread automation in transportation, logistics, retail, and even medicine. For example, self-driving trucks replace millions of truck drivers. Automated checkout eliminates most cashier jobs. AI-driven diagnostic tools reduce demand for some medical roles. If new industries don't grow fast enough, we could face mass unemployment or underemployment. Societies might adopt universal basic income or shorter work weeks to deal with it. So, who's safe? Who's not? So let's put it plainly. Which jobs are the most at risk, and which are the safest? High-risk jobs include data entry clerks, telemarketers, cashiers, paralegals, bookkeepers, routine coders, some transportation jobs. Moderate risk jobs include radiologists, accountants, journalists, financial analysts, mid-level project managers. Low risk for now, jobs include electricians, plumbers, welders, teachers, therapists, nurses, leaders, negotiators, creative entrepreneurs. In short, the more human your work is, meaning it relies on creativity, empathy, or hands-on skill, the safer it is. What's the key takeaway? So here's the bottom line. In the next few years, AI won't replace most jobs, but people who learn to use AI will replace those who don't. Over time, routine work will disappear, but new work will be created. The challenge and the opportunity is staying adaptable. The best career strategy? Lean into what makes you uniquely human. Creativity, judgment, empathy, problem solving, and learn to use AI as a tool, not fear it as a competitor. So will AI take your job? Maybe, but more likely, it'll change your job. The question isn't whether AI will shape the future of work. The question is whether you'll be ready to shape your future alongside AI.